Mango Passionfruit Chocolate Posset. Sunshine, silkiness, and a chocolate crunch. Let's make it happen. We'll start with the chocolate crumble. Crush up your 50 grams of biscuits like you're mad at them. Add cocoa powder, because we wouldn't be the cocoa circle if we didn't add some cocoa in there, right? And in the meantime, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Melt your dark chocolate if you haven't already, and mix it in with the crushed biscuits. Stir that around with a spatula until it starts looking something like this. Spread that onto a baking tray just like so, and add a pinch of sea salt to bring out the flavors. Now for that luscious tropical base. In a saucepan, gently heat double cream and sugar until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is hot, but not boiling. Take it off the heat and stir in fresh lemon juice. Next, swirl in the passion fruit and mango puree, stirring until smooth and silky. Pour the mixture into small glasses, filling them about 3/4 full. Then chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight for the dreamiest texture. It's time to dress things up. Cut up a mango into small cubes. Take your crispy chocolate and biscuit mixture and crumble it into chunky pieces. Top each posset with fresh passion fruit seeds and add some of that chocolate crumble. Don't forget to crown it with those juicy mango cubes for a burst of tropical flavor. And there you have it, a simple, show-stopping dessert with the flavors of the equator, all ready to steal the spotlight. Smooth, bright, and indulgent. This is what cocoa dreams are truly made of.